Now, the second one I want to take a look at is our library, and we're going to find the width of the library, right? So, what we have here is, in this particular case, the library kind of goes this way, and then it comes down like this, and then it comes back into here. There's our library, okay? And the library is 3 2/10 centimeters. So 3 2/10 centimeters on this. So we want to know how far it is here in actual life. Well, we're going to again use the ratio, right? Here's our relationship, 1 to 1.5. That's the relationship that we're going to use for this every time because that's the scale that we have. 2 to 3 is the same scale. So let's set up this ratio table, okay? So let's do it differently this time. Let's do the actual length and the map length, and we'll just swap those, right? The ratio is the same, so we just have to make sure we keep our units in the right places. So the actual is in meters, so that's going to be this guy right here, one of these two. So let's say 1.5 meters is the same as 1 centimeters, right? I know that's my scale. It's right here, 1.5 to 1, which came from the 2 to 3, right? So I cut this in half. Okay, so there's my scale. What I know is that this is 3.2 centimeters, and that is this unit down here. So I'm going to set this up like this. This is 3.2 centimeters. I don't have to write those units in, but now in order to get there, again, this unit rate is so handy. We multiply by 1, and I can figure that out so quickly. This is times 3 2/10 because I can multiply by 1 very quickly. And given that it's a ratio table, everything moves at the same rate. It's a map scale, which is a scale factor. Factor implies multiplication. So here we're going to multiply by that 3 2/10. So how do we do that? Calculator. All right, I get my calculator. I'm going to go 3 2/10. I'm going to multiply that by 1 1/2. And I'm going to hit that. And I'm going to get 4 8/10. Right there. Meters. 4 8/10 meters. So that means that this length right here is 4.8 or 4 8/10 meters.